wondered why businesses never get lost in a sea of numbers? The secret lies in one powerful tool, the chart of accounts. If you're a student struggling with Accounting 101 or an aspiring business owner, this video will simplify it for you once and for all. Welcome back to Project Accounting, where we make accounting simple for students and beginners. Today, we're diving into the backbone of the accounting systems, the chart of accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, why it matters, and how it actually looks in real life. Let's go. Imagine you're running a barbershop. Every day, kumikita ka from your customers, nagbabayad ka sa mga suppliers, and naghahandle ng mga bills. How do you keep track of every single peso without getting lost? Diyan pumapasok ang chart of accounts. It's like a financial map that categorizes everything, so you can find the right account in seconds. So ano nga ba talaga ang chart of accounts? Ito ay isang listahan ng lahat ng accounts na ginagamit ng business para i-record ang financial transactions. Main categories include assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Bawat isa may sub-accounts. Halimbawa, sa expenses, meron kang rent expense, salaries expense, utilities expense, at iba pa. Usually, nilalagyan din ito ng account numbers para madaling ma-identify, like 1,001 for cash, 5,002 for rent expense. Balikan natin ang barbershop mo. Ganito ang simple example ng chart of accounts. Dahil sa ganitong structure, hindi ka mawawala sa records mo. Madali kang makagagawa ng financial reports tulad ng income statement at balance sheet. Karaniwang pagkakamali ng mga beginners, halo-halo yung mga accounts, walang numbering system, at minsan pati personal expenses sinasama sa business accounts. Hindi pwede yan. Kaya importante na maayos ang chart of accounts. Parang foundation na ito ng financial records mo. So let's review. Chart of accounts is a systematic list of all accounts used by a business to record financial transactions. So why is chart of accounts important? It ensures organized and accurate recording of business transactions, and it aids in decision making for business owners and accountants. Ang common mistakes to avoid: mixing personal and business accounts, not following a numbering system, and forgetting to update the chart of accounts as the business grows. A well-structured chart of accounts is the foundation of good financial management. Kapag maayos ang chart of accounts mo, mas madali ang paggawa ng reports at mas alam mo ang financial status ng negosyo mo. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano gumagana ang chart of accounts, meron akong surprise para sa'yo. Pwede mong i-download ang free chart of accounts template ko na nasa description ang link. Huwag kalimutang mag-like kung may natutunan ka, subscribe para sa mas marami pang accounting tutorials, at i-comment below I'm ready to organize my accounts. Thank you!